IVM.
Namaskar, Bandhu. How are you? Thank you for joining me on this podcast of Begin the Journey. So, who is the Bandhu I refer to all the time? Who is the Bandhu? Well, Bandhu means friend. And that's why at the end of everything that I write or I speak, I say, Al Shukran Bandhu, Al Shukran Zindagi, which means thank you, dear friend, thank you, dear life. For me, Bandhu or friend is not just the people that I meet and I walk with in life. Bandhu or friend is also the moment that I'm living this life in. For moments are what make my life. Moments are that make your life. Now, this is not an intellectual conversation. No, consider for a moment. This moment is part of your life. This moment is part of my life. At this very moment, we are finding this life challenging, isn't it? Yes, challenging in ways that we never ever imagined as a humanity that life could be so challenging. Now, these challenging moments, imagine how can it be if these so-called adversarial moments we turn into moments with friendship, moments with friends. How will it be if I can actually make an ally of this moment? Now, let's look straight at this moment of your life, in your career, in your personal relationship. I will begin by giving you an example of my own life. Through my life, there have been some very, very interesting challenges. And those challenges have really at times made me feel that, I can't handle it. I couldn't handle facts when suddenly I found that I had no work. And then say, what do I do? What do I do? I do not have work. Till I said, you know what? This me not having work moment, how will it be if I make it my ally and push myself out of this place that I'm sitting in? And that's where about 20 years back, I started looking for work down south in languages other than the language that I was used to work in. And slowly and steadily, over the years, I have worked in 11 languages. Now consider for a moment, dear friend, had I not seen that moment as an ally, as a friend, as a bandhu, I would never have allowed myself to see the phenomenal possibilities that are there deep within me. Yes, my friend, each one of us has tremendous possibilities within us. We need a moment which is a friend, which takes us out of our fixed ways. Bandhu, friend, is someone who guides. Bandhu, friend, is someone who challenges. That bandhu, that friend is this moment for me. Over the years, as I look back at my life, I have always felt tired when I felt that this moment is against me. This moment is not for me. I have loved it when I could have seen, when I did get to recognize that this moment is my friend. This moment gives me the opportunity to live. There are so many people, my friend, who do not have a chance to breathe again. This moment, since you and I are experiencing it, it makes sure that you and I are alive. It tells us, hey, you are alive, dear friend. So therefore, you can make a difference to your life and to the life of others. As I see this moment as my friend, I actually do different things, many different things with this moment. I see this as a moment to do more with my life than I ever did before. Yes, this moment is pushing us against a wall. Yes, this moment is making life uncertain for us. But imagine, my friend, imagine if you can see this as a blessing in any which way you want. And if you can see that this is allowing you to value this moment, which probably we had stopped doing some years back. Dear friend, as we get to make friends with the moments around us, we will join and we will inspire others to also look at this moment as a moment of reinvigorating ourselves. This is going to be a long night. Possibly this is going to be a long afternoon, a morning, Possibly this is a period in which friendship will be tested. Yes, this friend is not saying the things that we wanted to say to us. This friend in our present life is not saying the things which we like. But this friend is saying things how they are at this moment. Let's make the most of it, dear friend. Let's put out our hands and help each other to realize that these moments are there to carve us in ways that life never did before. These moments are sculpting you and me to become larger and better than ever before. Yes, my friend, let's thank this moment, because this moment and our presence in it tells us that we are alive. We are alive, and therefore we can do something spectacular with this life of ours. And I promise you, life at this point needs each one of us to be amazing. The bad news around has to be disrupted by efforts of you and me. Let's make a beginning by recognizing the friendship that this moment is offering us. And let's create something extraordinary, not just for ourselves, but for people around. I want you to take this moment to put your smile back onto your face. I want you to have a twinkle in your eye. Yes, it is challenging, but how will it be if we can deal with these moments with a twinkle in our eye and a smile on our lip? These moments are inviting us to be bigger than we were ever before. At work, in relationships, in things that you are living, please, please, please recognize the friendships that are around you. Be it human beings, be it moments. Let's enjoy them. Let's make the most of them. Let's enrich them. And yes, let's recognize the friends around. Al-Shukran Bandhu. Al-Shukran Zindagi. Thank you for walking with me on Begin the Journey.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We'd like to thank our sponsors on the network this week, Cred, Ciet, TheWholeTruthFoods.com, and PayPal. We really do appreciate the support. On Cyrus Says, we discussed quite a bit about the local assembly elections this month. Vasanti Hariprakash was there to talk about the West Bengal elections, and then we also spoke to Pradeep Gupta, a psephologist and author. He's the chairman and MD of Access My India. Do definitely check that episode out. Great conversation. Tune into This Round Is On Me, where Gauri Devi Dayal caught up on the latest trends in the PR industry with Archana Jain from PR Pundit. On The Habit Coach, Ashton Doctor spoke to Anandita Chatterjee. She's the founder of Travel Chatter. She's been a marketer with some large firms and has traveled to 67 countries so far. It was a RuPaul Drag Race fan club on KBCD where Farhad and Sunetro discussed the show's best moments and talents. Amber Rana was joined by celebrity fitness trainer Shivoham on Know Your Kanun to discuss fitness laws and regulations in India. They talk about the laws and infrastructure that exist to protect gyms, trainers, and also consumers in the fitness industry. And on the note with Maruk Inayat, we are clinical psychologist and friend of the network, Sonali Gupta. She talks about ongoing mental health issues like survivor's guilt, coping with anxiety around the pandemic, and doom scrolling. And with that, we hope to see you again next week.
Working Monday to Friday glued to your chair making you feel dull? Worry not. Get your 5-minute weekly dose of travel around the world with Postcards from Nowhere. Join me every Thursday as I explore the strange, obscure, and fascinating parts of the world and bring out facets of travel you may not have thought of before. You can find us on the IVM Podcast app, website, or wherever you get your podcast from.